Hey Maiden, can't you make the orbital wither cannon? What? Oh, how much I pity those who decided we now we have a Discord server. I'm just kidding. By the time I'm recording this, it's already like 4 days after Spoke's latest video where Jamato P uses the Wither Skull cannon. And I recreated it, which is this thing right here. Cool, I know, right? Hello guys, I'm Maiden and I am the maid who makes weapons of mass destruction for Minecraft Bedrock. Today's venue we have Orbital Skull or Orbital Wither or Orbital Blue Skull Wither Cannon, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, this is inspired by WMC, who was like the creator of the Orbital Wither Cannon in Java edition, but it uses some redstone, whereas we're going to use some command blocks today because why not? It's very hard to do in redstone, trust me. Well, anyways, I know it's not like very lore accurate, but hey, I mean, it's proof of concept, you know? And also it only takes like 17 command blocks to set up, and yeah. So anyways, that's enough for the intro, and let's move on to the tutorial, I guess. Alright, we're back, and yeah, so first thing you need to do is just kind of look for an open area, one that is very suitable for putting our command blocks later on. And the next thing, we can start of course without a command block. So to do that, you just basically do /give @s, then command _block. So you just type that up in the chat, then press enter, and then you basically have a command block. And yeah, next thing we do is just put it in any open area you prefer. Oh, and yeah, one little side note is that every command block in this video is pointing up, so that begs the question on how you know it's pointing up. There's basically this shape in the sides that's called a pentagon, so if this pointed side of the shape is pointing up, then your command block is basically facing upwards, which means you are good to go. So after making sure that's pointing up, just interact with this, and then for our first command block, let's set this to repeat, and that's basically it. Then expand this, and then we'll type /tp @e, then we'll do square bracket, and then type equals wither, then underscore skull, then underscore dangerous, and then we'll do comma c = 1, then close that off. Then we'll do 2 tildes, then a 6, and then another tilde, and then that's basically it for the first command block. So the next thing we do is place another command block, but you gotta make sure it's suspended. Let me just get it out here. You gotta make sure it's suspended by 1 block exactly, and you also need to make sure it's still pointing up. That's basically the requirement for every command block in this video. It needs to point up. Yeah, we'll leave this as it is, then we'll do expand it, then we'll do /execute as @e c = 6, then run summon wind charge. We'll do wind charge, then projectile, and then space ~6 . So yeah, that's for the second command block. Then for the third command block, put another command block on top of the second command block, then interact with it, and also it needs to still point up. So yeah, interact with it, and then do chain and always active. Set this to chain and always active. Then let's expand this, and then we'll do /execute as @e c = 6, then run summon armor stand ~5 . And that's basically it, and then we'll do another command block on top. This is the last command block in this part, so interact with this and then set this to chain and always active. Expand this, and then we'll do /structure save Then we'll do 1037 colon structure dot blue skull, and then space tilde tilde 1 tilde space another space tilde tilde 1 and tilde, and then we'll do true disk false, and that's it. You also need to make sure to put 2 in the delay intake. So yeah, I kind of forgot that in the beginning, but yeah. So now we should be finished with the setup part, and then we'll just grab ourselves some lever and also a button. Lever and a button, any type of button you want, and then make sure to put the lever in the repeating command block, and then the button on the impulse command block is basically the one suspended in air, and then we'll basically just summon a wither. So you can do that manually, like using the soul sand and the wither skulls, your preference, or you could just also do summon by using a command /summon wither. Wrong spelling. Wither, and then yeah, and then once you summon your wither, you just basically flick this repeating command block, and then it should like teleport wither skull right over here. So yeah, once there's a blue wither skull in here, you need to turn this off and then press this button once. So yeah, that will happen. And next we'll do a little bit of testing if this thing works. So we'll know that by using /structure load 1037 colon structure dot blue skull, and then we'll do tilde tilde -1 tilde, and then there. It's not working. I think I somehow, oh yeah, there we go. I somehow just, and you're gonna fire or what? Alright, here we go, and then press this once, and then there, and then kill everything. And yeah, let's test the thing if it works now. So we'll do /structure load 1037 colon structure dot blue underscore skull, and then we'll do that. And then as you can see, once you do that, you should have like a blue wither skull falling from your direction to the ground. So yeah, so basically what's going on here is we basically saved a blue wither skull entity that is already moving downwards, and once the blue wither skull is moving, it doesn't stop until it like collides with an entity or a block. So we just saved a blue wither skull entity while it's moving, and yeah, so what we're doing here is we're loading the blue wither skull entity that we just saved, and then that's basically how this setup works. So yeah, once we are done with the setup, we just basically build another command block chain, and that's for like the functions. And this is the setup, and we're going to build the command block chain for the function where it's going to do the summoning via fishing rod. And yeah, so you can place this anywhere you want, but I like to keep my workplace tidy, except that it's not very clean right now. So for my personal preference, I just gonna put it like right beside the starter, but you can put it wherever you want. So interact with this command block and then set this to repeat and always active, and then let's expand this, and then we'll do /execute unless entity at a tag equals tag 1037 colon tag that player, and then we'll do comma x equals tilde, then close that off as at a, then the square bracket has item equals curly bracket, item equals fishing rod, and then data equals 1037, location equals slot.weapon.main hand, and then close the curly bracket and then the square bracket at s, run test for at e, type equals fishing hook, and then we'll do comma r equals 2, and then close that off. So yeah, that's basically for our first function command. So yeah, in order to test if this command block works, it's just we just go to our chat and then type /give @s fishing rod, and then we'll do space 1 space 1037. The spaces here are very significant, it's very important, so don't forget it. Then just basically press enter. So once you cast your fishing rod, it should basically spam your chat like this. It shouldn't tag you if you are far enough, but when you're close to the fishing hook entity, it should like spam your chat. So yeah, that's basically how it works. And then next step, we'll do another command block on top. And also I forgot to mention, we need to make this like it's still pointing up. Everything needs to point up in this video, bro. And then yeah, so for a second command block, set this to chain, conditional, and always active. This is basically the setup for every command block for the rest of the video. So yeah, every command block that is placed after this instance, it's going to be this setup. And then let's expand this. We'll do /execute as @e type equals fishing hook, and then close that off. At @s run tag @a, then the square bracket has item equals colon, curly bracket, item equals fishing rod, the thing we just did like earlier. We just basically do that again. Location equals slot that weapon that main hand. Bro, I'm so bad at typing. So from here you close the curly bracket, and then we'll do comma r equals 2, and then close the square bracket. Then we'll do add 1037 colon tag dot player, and then we're basically done for the second command block. So to test this, you basically just stand like right next to where your fishing hook is going to appear, and then cast your rod, and then it should like tag you like this. Added tag 1037 colon tag dot player to your character. So yeah, and then we just gotta remove our tag because that was only a test. So we'll do that by using /tag @e remove 1037 colon tag the player, and then yeah, you basically can cast it again now, and then remove it again. So yeah, next we'll just do another command block here with the same setup as before, chain, conditional, always active. Expand this, and then we'll do /execute as @a tag equals 1037 colon tag dot player. Close that off. At @s positioned tilde 1.67 tilde, then run summon xp, then underscore orb, then we'll do the 3 up arrows, I don't know what that's called, and then we'll do 1, then tilde. So yeah, we'll test this once the other command block is done. We'll do chain, conditional, always active again. Then we'll do /execute as @a tag equals 1037 tag dot player. Close that off. At @s positioned, the same one we did before, 1.67. Then another positioned. Then we'll do the 3 up arrows, then 1, then run tag @e, then type equals xp orb r1, then comma again, c equals 1, then close that off. We'll do add 1037 colon tag dot orb. So yeah, we're done for the 2 command blocks, and then to test it, you just basically cast your fishing rod again. And then what it should do is it's basically going to say added tag to 1037 tag.orb to experience orb. So yeah, that's how you'll basically know that both of this command block is working. If it's not working, then either one of this is not working or it's both. And let's put another command block here, and then we'll do chain conditional always active again. Expand this, and then we'll do /execute as @e c equals 2, and then space as @e c equals 2, space as at E C equals 2. We'll do this basically like 7 times, so we have 3 right now. As at E C equals 2, as at E C equals 2, that is 5 times, as at E C equals 2, and then last as at E C equals 2. And then we'll do as at E colon, that's not a colon bro, that's a square bracket, tag equals 1037 colon tag dot orb, then close that off at s, run tp at s, then we'll do the 3 up arrows again, 0.5 true. Alright, so what this basically does is it's going to teleport the XP orb from where your cursor exactly is. So once we cast a rod, it's going to look like this. So wherever you look at, it's going to, don't forget to remove your tag again. So this is basically what we call ray casting. So that's basically how the aim thing works. So put another command block on top of this, and it's nighttime. And then we'll do the same setup and then expand this. Then we'll do / execute as at E tag equals 1037 colon tag dot orb, close that off at s, run summon armor stand tilde, then we'll do 10,000, so that's 4 zeros, and then tilde 90 0 n, and then we'll do 1037 colon s. So for the second command block, it's basically the same except for a minor difference. So we'll do / execute as at E tag equals 1037 colon tag dot orb, close that off at s, run summon armor stand tilde 10,000 again, and then tilde, but this time we're, instead of 90, we're gonna do -90 and then 0 n, then 1037 colon s. So the spaces on this is very important, so make sure you're not missing that part. But then again, every single typing is available in the pinned comment, so go ahead and check that out. So put another command block here, then we'll do the same setup again, expand this, and here we're going to not type, but we're going to paste something like this. This one is going to be available in the description below because it's long, so it's going to be a lot more easier if you're just going to copy it, and but only that thing, only this command, because a lot of people not realize that my description has a lot of things, and I'm basically nearing my maximum character limit, so only this command, bro. The rest is going to be in the pinned comments, and also this one, it's going to also be in the pinned comments. So yeah, put another command block here, chain conditional always active / replace item entity at a tag equals 1037 colon tag dot player, close that off, slot dot weapon dot main hand, and then space 0 air, and another command on top with the same settings. For this, we'll do / execute as at a tag equals 1037 colon tag dot player, close that off at s, then run play sound random dot break, and that's it. Next is chain conditional always active again, and then we'll do here / kill at E tag equals 1037 colon tag dot orb, then close that off, and then we'll do another command block here with the same setup. Then we'll do / kill at E type equals armor stand, comma name equals 1037 colon s, and then close that off. And then for the final command, which is the same setup again, then we'll do slash tag at e remove 1037 colon tag that player. So this one basically just removes the tag that player automatically instead of doing it manually we did earlier. So yeah, if everything works or if everything is correctly inputted, I don't know what that means. If everything is correctly typed, this should happen. And also, let's not forget to remove our tag one last time, and then the next time is going to be automatic. Alright, this should happen. 3, 2, 1, boom. I don't know why I'm laughing, but yeah, basically there's your Wither Skull Cannon, I guess. And then I believe it like destroys some obsidian. Wrong spelling, bro. I believe it destroys obsidian as well as flowing water or water source blocks and lava, and also lava source blocks, and that's according to the wiki, I guess. I did not do my research. That's for you to figure out. But okay, let's like test it right here. Boom. Well, as you can see, it did destroy some obsidian. Let's test it on water, I guess. There's also this thing where if you want your cannon to be less laggier, for example like this, you can just decrease the radius of the full circle by just going to the 5th command block from the top. So that's the 6th actually. I meant the 6th. So yeah, actually, so this r equals 15 thing, this is the radius of the circle, so you can decrease this to make it less laggier, and then increase it if you want a bigger circle. So let's do 20 for example, and then there it's going to be bigger. Where is it? Alright, so make it lesser, I guess, like this. Yeah, and also if you want it to be like the bigger one, the bigger version, if you want it to be a circle, again, as you can see, it's not a circle. So if you want it to be a circle, you're gonna have to modify this nested execution. So you're going to add another value here to make it more of a circle than a square. Well, I guess there's your Orbital Blue Wither Skull Cannon. But yeah, oh, and one last thing, if you like wanna hide this spam chat or this spam thing every time you like fire the Orbital Blue Wither Skull Cannon, it's so the name is so long, bro. So yeah, if you wanna remove this, just do /game rule command block output false. So yeah, just type this in your chat and then press enter, and then yeah. And also another thing is, yes, you can summon the Orbital Blue Wither Skull Cannon, but only right beside your command block setup. So when you go out of range to those Orbital Cannon Blue Wither Skull Cannon command block setup, so yeah, when you go far enough, it's basically not going to work. It works here. So yeah, when you go far enough, it's not going to work. Yeah, as you can see. So to make it work everywhere you go in your world, basically, so you just need to stand right next to your command block setup, and then just type /ticking area, then add circle, then space tilde, then space 4, and then yeah, it will now work everywhere you are in the world, even though if you're like, I don't know, 10,000 blocks away. And then we'll just test it here. I guess we're like 100,000 blocks away. Is it? Yeah, we're like 100,000 blocks away. So yeah, there's your Blue Wither Skull Cannon, I guess. So yeah, if you if this video was helpful in any way, consider subscribing so you wouldn't miss another weapon of mass destruction. And also, is that a pink ship? I don't know, I'm colorblind, bro.